Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on James's DIY Project channel, I would like to have a chat with you guys and let you know 3 of the main reasons why I put this channel together. Again, my name is James, and my 3 reasons for this channel. The first reason is to show people with disabilities like myself that it is possible to succeed at setting goals and achieving them. The second reason is to help me with my public speaking. Help me improve on certain aspects of it so that I can also be successful in that category. The third and biggest reason why I put this channel together on YouTube is to help fundraise money for brain injury research and development. I will keep you guys posted annually on an Excel sheet that I will post on YouTube. I would like to take this chance and personally thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my channel and having this conversation or chat with me. I am going to try to post new clips every month for as long as I can. If there are any questions that you should have, please leave them in my comments or even comments on my videos, and I will try to answer them all as fast as I can. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe.